guys, Barry Cohen here, one of the lawyers at the law firm of Unger & Cohen, and today I want to talk to you about the 4 factors that can influence your court costs. You know, we've been doing this now for 17 years and have helped hundreds of thousands of clients. The reality is, as much as we know everybody wants to get their case dismissed, they can't all get dismissed. And anyone who tells you that they get every case dismissed, I would be very leery of, and certainly you want to get that in writing. But for the ones that don't get dismissed, you might end up having to pay some court costs. Now, in almost every case, court costs are much less than you'd have to pay if you just went ahead and paid the ticket and received points, which leads to insurance increases. But when it comes to court costs, there basically are 4 factors that can influence your court costs versus somebody else's. The first one is the type of ticket you received. We can all agree that some violations are certainly worse than others. I mean, driving 90 in a school zone is a worse violation than perhaps making a U-turn at 2 in the morning when nobody's on the road. So that's the first factor. The second factor is your past driving history. If you have an excellent driving record, and this is your first ticket in the past 4, 5, 6, 10 years, you're going to get a much better result than somebody who basically is coming to court every 6 months. And the judges will see that and they will make that determination. The next factor is your attitude toward the police officer. As much as I know you're feeling anger and you're feeling frustration, you can't look that officer in the eye and start calling them all these names and not think it's going to come back to haunt you. The officers will write down in their ticket book all the things that you said, all the pleasantries, if you will, that you said, and when it comes time to go to court, they're going to tell the judge all those things, and they will hold it against you. So you might want to, remember that next time you get pulled over. Just bite your tongue, roll up the window, drive away, call them whatever you want at that point, out of earshot, obviously, but it's just not in your best interest to do that. The last factor is the particular judge or magistrate that's going to hear your case. The reality is, they're all different. They have good days, they have bad days, and they decide your court costs based on whatever they're feeling that day. And although there might be a range that most of them work with, obviously you want to be on the lower end of that range. And some of them just consistently wind up in the lower range, and some of them consistently go to the higher end. Well, I hope that helps you understand perhaps why court costs are what they are, why they're a little bit different from the last time you may have gotten a ticket, and why your neighbor up the street told you he had the same violation, but his court costs were a lot lower, or perhaps a lot higher. This is the reason. If you have any other questions, certainly give us a call. You can email us, or you can just drop us a line or give us a call, or go to our website. Thanks a lot.